I have some charred washcloth here, and I want to show you that it's great. I don't think it's as great as my denim. I think it's better than the t-shirt material that everybody uses. Let me show you. Good stuff. Let's try it with 4 different tenders. Our steel is made out of Nixon file. I'll put the link to that video in the description. The flint is actually this piece of shirt right here. And the 4 tenders we'll use is this emergency t-shirt material, jute twine, really damp leaves off the ground, and those pine needles that I picked up yesterday. Let's give it a shot. I always like to tear my char cloth in half, which exposes a whole bunch of fibers. Put it about a 1/16 of an inch behind that sharp edge and go for it. All right, I anticipate the t-shirt material taking a long time to go to flames, but it will. Now, tear it in half, expose all these good threads, lay it about a 1/16 of an inch behind that sharp edge. Now I can really get my stroke on. Let's see how many strikes it takes. 2. Just a matter of getting it hot enough to make it go to flames. And unprocessed jute. I was wondering if I was going to get a 1-strike ignite. Those pine needles shouldn't take as long as that. Alright y'all, do me a favor before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Nothing wants to fire up like it's supposed to today.